Hello. Today we're going to look at what to do after the sender has accepted your request to make a delivery. First, start by heading over to the Drops tab. Under the Active tab, there you will find the delivery which has been assigned to you by the sender. To start a delivery, tap on the Head to Delivery button. You are advised to use Google Maps to navigate to the pickup location from your current position. Slide the Navigate button to switch to the Google Maps app. Once you have arrived at the pickup location, you are required to verify the parcel or parcels for which you are to deliver. To verify the parcel, click the Verify Parcel button to take a picture of the parcel and upload it. Once the parcel image has been uploaded, request the pickup OTP from the sender. You can call the sender to get this from them. Slide the button to confirm that you have picked up the parcel. Once the parcel has been confirmed to be picked up, you are then advised to head over to the drop-off location. You can also navigate to the drop-off location using the Google Maps button. During the delivery process, there are some features available for you to use. You could chat with the sender and give them important updates as to where you are. The sender can also send messages to you. You can also make calls to either the sender or receiver from the app itself. You can send a broadcast message which both sender and receiver will receive. If you experience any issues while making a delivery, please use the complaint button. We will handle the case in the most efficient way. When you have arrived at the drop-off location, the app will be automatically aware of this, using your position. Also request the drop-off OTP from the sender and input it. Slide the button to confirm that the parcel has been dropped off. Append your signature as proof of delivery. You can rate or skip your delivery experience. At the end of your delivery, your wallet balance will be credited with the payable delivery fare. You can confirm the value by heading over to the Board tab, under the Payment pane.